General Muhoozi Keinerugaba once again has shocked the people with some kind of not easy tweets. That's what I would prefer to say, hard ones, the so-called controversial tweets. Again, Muhoozi start by saying all ADF and Codeco forces who want to surrender should contact our liaison offices in Beni and Bunia. That's what he said, that their liaison offices is in Bunia and then also in Beni. I think he's talking about the war in DRC, which the UPDF is now fully involved, just like the one in South Sudan. Muhoozi also went on to say the time for talking and tweets is over. And then he also said the White Army did not heed my warning. They continued advancing to Malakal. They have paid a terrible price. We have resumed our operation against them. Hiding more, he said the White Army are experts are running away from us. I will accept the surrender of the commander of the White Army hopefully soon. Otherwise, they will perish. Then one of the most confusing one is he revealed what he is going to do after retiring from the position of CDF. After being CDF, I'm going to start a program on UBC called Beaten Up Husbands. I will host all the abused men in Uganda. So Muhoozi is saying that the gender-based violence is not only happening against the women, but also against the men. So he's going to start a program to host the men who have faced gender violence from their wives, so that maybe the people get to know the story of what is going on, but men are keeping quiet. Then lastly, he said he doesn't fear Americans. In a statement, I don't fear Americans, but Zungu, Kony, ADF, the White Army, or Codeco. But Charlotte beats me like a kid. What's wrong with me? So Muhoozi is saying he doesn't fear all what he mentioned, including Joseph Kony, but then he says he fears the wife. The wife is by the name Charlotte, for those who don't know, and revealing that she beats him like a kid, and asking you what's wrong with me. So can you help tell Muhoozi in the comment section what is wrong with him? Thank you.